Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can place withdrawal on Digitstem, right? On Digitstem, every Friday, you can withdraw the commissions you have earned selling any of the products on Digitstem. That's what I'll be showing you in this video. Make sure you watch everything so that you don't miss out on any step. Of course, you know this is money. Any mistake, it is. Let's go right into this video.
God's ways to go here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how you can become more digitally productive and make money and have good success in life. If it's your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And to my returning viewers, welcome back, and make sure you like this video so that it can be of much help to other people on YouTube. Having said that, let's go right into this video.
Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do, you have to go to your Digitstem, whether you are using the Digitstem app or the website. Okay, you have to just open it and log in. So I'm already logged in, so you can see my dashboard. I'm going to go to dashboard. Then I'm going to, once I put my dashboard, I'll go to withdrawal. And I will request for a withdrawal. Okay. So they ask which gateway. So I'll say bank transfer. Okay, so Nigerian bank transfer. Then right here, I will select how many USDT. Let's say 50. So the minimum is 10. So let me say 50. Or let's say 70. Let me confirm how much I have, then I'll know how much I'm going to withdraw. Withdrawal, request for withdrawal, bank transfer, say 70 USDT. So I'll click on submit, and they will ask me to put my bank as they're watching. So I'm going to select my bank right here. So we have OPay, we have PAMPay. Okay, so right here, select my OPay. I want to use my OPay. Then account name. Okay, full name. Alright, then account number. So make sure you are placing your withdrawal probably before 12 p.m. on Friday. Okay, so once I'm done, click on submit. So right here, my withdrawal has been placed, just like you can see. I just decided to place for $70 and it is done. So right here it is showing it is currently pending. Okay, so it is currently pending. Once tomorrow or next tomorrow, once it's done, they are going to probably, I might show a video of it if it comes in before my editing of this video. Okay, so that is how to place your withdrawal on Digitstem on Friday.
Right now, you can see on my screen, Digitstem have confirmed that they sent me money, and I can confirm that amount right now on my OPay account. Hey guys, I want to give a big shout out to Obina, who is part of my subscribers right here on YouTube.
Obinna has created a blueprint that over 1,000 Nigerians have used in making their first $1,000, and he wants to share that blueprint with you. All right, so all you will need to do is to click on the link attached in the description. All right, you fill in your details just like you can see, and the blueprint will be sent to you in your Gmail. Just go to the landing page, fill your details there, and you get this blueprint. All right, when people pass through process, they love to document it and share it with others like you, so that you can use it and see what you can apply from there and improve your chances of making money online.
Hey there, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I believe you understood how to withdraw your money right now on Digitstem. All right, if this video solved your problem, want you to like it, let me know in the comment section. All right, until then, see you next time. Bye bye.